afternoon. Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing 2018 Bowman Chrome HTA for Victor. First up, Gregory Soto. Gold for the D-backs, 9 of 50, Dalton Varsho. Haven't seen very many of him. Congrats, Victor. And we have orange for the Royals. First Bowman Chrome, Chris DiVito. 7 of 25. Congrats, man. Orange and gold in the same box. Where to, man? Hey, Steve. Oh, can I call you back in a little bit? I'm in the middle of a break, sorry. Can I call you in just a little bit? Okay, bye. Where to, man? Who, the DiVito? $11 homers in 30 games. Hey, what's up, Ryan? All right, for the Yankees, Trevor Stefan. Steven Stefan, I don't know. Redemption. Bowman Chrome Prospect Autograph Refractor Parallel of Meeker Adolfo. And purple for the Marlins, James Nelson, 142 of 250. Victor, where to? Left or right? 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, or 6. Ryan, 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep.
Do you have anything 18 over there football?
We have Unparalleled. We have Absolute. Classic. Leaf autograph jersey. Any of those. Number 4, Ryan. This has the Ryan guarantee. Good luck. Shao-ching Chong.
All-star cards.
114 of 299. Connor Capel.
No, this is the business phone.
And a blue.
Yeah, he's doing a break right now. Do you want me to take a message?
30 of 150. Jorge Guzman.
Okay, who is this again? Okay.
Bold autograph.
And he'll have the number, I'm assuming. Okay. Alright, bye. That lady wants a call.
Oh, yeah. One, two, three, 4, 5. 4-2 Victor. Ryan says pick one more. I mean, Victor says pick one more. Number 2. Victor is too good. That's right. Good luck. Good luck. Two it is. For the Padres, Austin Allen. For the A's, Sheldon Noose. And good luck, Victor. Also for the A's, 26 of 99, Nick Allen, green.
Hopefully it's not a dummy pack.
Those greens look really nice with the A's jersey. Victor, where to? Well, Ryan, you can't hit him every time. All right, will do, man. Thanks, Victor.